Hello, I have created a mock classroom website for a kindergarten class, and I'm going to start off with the welcome page. So, the welcome page was created for parents and students to find many resources, such as the daily schedule, assignments, classroom materials, my contact information, the school website, and many more resources. I've also included an About Me page with a little bit of my background with education and previous experiences, such as jobs or things such of that sort. I've also included the contact information for parents and students to reach to me, such as the phone number and my email, which is best to contact me with. I've also included the Student Corner. And the Student Corner is a great place for students to come to see the schedule, the assignments, and the classroom materials that are needed for this class. The daily schedule will include the school hours, the lunchtime that we will have every single day. Also includes the specials that we will have for each day, so students know the schedule and are prepared for the day. I have also included assignments for the students, such as the homophone clip cards, the snowman 10 frame activity, the solar system activities, the frog life cycle, and also the spelling test practice activity. I've also included class materials for students so that they know what to bring for the upcoming school year. And if students do not have these materials, I'm going to have extras for them in the classroom so that they don't need to worry if they don't have them. I've also included a parent corner so parents have a place to access the newsletter for the month, important dates, and frequently asked questions. The newsletter for the month that I chose was the month of September because it's the beginning of the school year, so I figured let's do September. And within the newsletter, there's contact information, student of the month, QR code for the information about the field trip, September birthdays, reminders, and I've also included the calendar so that it's just right there, right in one spot of the important dates for the class. And I've also included more important dates just besides the ones that were for September. I have included important dates for September through January after the winter break. So this is just some stuff that parents can have as a resource if they forget something, such as parent teacher conference day, which we would have off that day, back to school night, or any breaks that they may forget about. I've also included frequently asked questions. So these questions can include the best way to communicate with the teacher, or what happens if my child misses homework, or even what resources will be available to my child if they were to miss a day of school. So I just want this page to be there so parents don't have to worry if they don't know where any resources are. They can find them right there in the frequently asked questions. I've also included the classroom projects that will be completed throughout the year, such as the Leaf People project. One of my favorites is this classroom name jar book because this will bring both classroom and the home environment together, and everyone can learn about each other's names and the background to the story of their names. I've also included the life cycle hats, which will be a fun activity to complete, and also the line of symmetry butterfly craft. Next, I have provided quick links such as YouTube channels that are educational for elementary school students to complete. So I provided parents with resources that are good for students who are in kindergarten, also students who are in fifth grade. So if they were to have a child that is in my class and also a child that was in another class, such as a fifth grade class, it's right there for them. And lastly, I have the school website. So this website I provided so parents can just scroll through, and it has helpful links and resources for both parents and students. There's also shortcuts to the district calendar, breakfast and lunch menu for the month, the parent portal, and many more resources. And I told the parents that if they had any questions, to reach me at the Remind 101 app. And that is my mock classroom website. I hope you enjoyed this and have a good day.